Hi everyone, this is Oz from Masiwa group. Today I'm gonna show you 3+1 apartment in Başiskele, Izmit. Now let's start our tour. I will give the information while we see the apartment. Now there is a big entry to left side, the stairs going to upstairs, and there is the WC for your guests. And when you turn right, there is the big living room. It's very big and spacious. And from your living room you have one balcony which has an open view. This is the second stage of this project, and as you see, the height of this apartment will not affect you. Your view will be still open. You will see above them. This apartment is 172 square centimeters for net space, and as you see, the kitchen is also big, very big. And also kitchen has another balcony. This apartment has 4 balconies, 2 balconies in the downstairs for your kitchen and living room, and you have a balcony in upstairs also for the other rooms. All room has balcony. Let's check the upstairs together. This side has security, kids playground, and as you see, there is a big hallway in the upstairs. Now when we take a left, there is a big room, and as I told you before, all room has a balcony. And as you see from this balcony, you have a sea view. Not directly, but you have one. And you have an open valley view, just straight to the mountains. There is the Kartepe mountain, but we cannot see it because it's snowing. Now let's get to the other room. And the other kids' room. Again, there is the balcony for the other room. This one was the other balcony. You have also sea view and open valley view from here, and this is your master bedroom entrance. This is the security entrance. As you see, kids playground and sitting places. And this is the second stage of this project. There will be closed parking lots under these blocks, and as you see in this triangle area, there will be social facilities like cafeterias, tennis and basketball courts, and kids playground. There will be one more extra, and that's all for now. Let's get to the master bedroom. And here is the common bed. Oh, I need a light. Let me open the lights. Yeah, this is the common bedroom. It's big. And here is the master bedroom. When you take a right, here is the master. That's, as you see. And this is the master bedroom. As you see, it's big and enough for a master bedroom. As I told you, you can go out to your balcony for a master also. Yes, you can check the sea view. Yeah. For now, this is all. Have a good day.